Welcome to day 21 of our 30-day series on marriage and emotional growth. Today we are talking about something that every couple experiences at some point of time: hurt. And more importantly, how to heal and rebuild after it. Hurts in marriage comes in many forms. Sometimes it's a broken promise, sometimes it's words spoken in anger that cut too deep, and sometimes it's not just one big moment, but the quiet disappointments that build over time. These wounds don't just disappear. If left unaddressed, they create distance, silence, and walls between partners. Healing after hurt is not easy. The one who has been hurt struggles with trust and safety, and the one who caused the hurt often wrestles with guilt, shame, or defensiveness. Both carry weight, and that's why healing also requires both. So, what does rebuilding look like? First, it begins with acknowledgement. A genuine "I see the pain I caused you and I take responsibility" goes much further than explanations or excuses. Second, it requires patience. Healing doesn't happen overnight. It comes through consistent actions that slowly whisper, "You can count on me again." And third, it takes openness from both sides. The hurt partner choosing to share their pain and the other partner choosing to listen without defensiveness. And here's the beauty: repair doesn't just patch things up, it can actually deepen connection. When couples walk through pain honestly, they often come out stronger, more compassionate, and more bonded than before. So I invite you to reflect. If there is an unhealed hurt in your marriage, what small step could you take today to move toward repair? Maybe it's offering a heartfelt apology, or maybe it's listening without interrupting, or even it might be simply saying, "I want us to heal and I'm here for the journey." This is your Aarti Sujay reminding you that hurt is part of love, but so is healing. And when couples choose repair, they don't just recover what was lost, they often discover a new depth of love they never knew was possible. Tomorrow in day 22, we'll be talking about the importance of appreciation and why feeling valued keeps love strong. Till then, take care and stay blessed.